In this video, let's look at the WHERE clause. The WHERE clause in SQL is used to filter out rows based on certain conditions. Remember that the select clause is used to select columns, and now we look at the WHERE clause to filter out rows. It is written after the FROM clause. Select from WHERE. Along with the WHERE clause, we use comparison and logical operators. Comparison operators are less than, greater to, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. In addition, we also have the logical operators and, or, in, between, like and I like, is null, not. These logical operators are used to form compound comparisons. As far as order or operations is concerned, the WHERE clause is executed after the FROM clause. So we have FROM, which is executed first, then WHERE, then select, or select distinct, and finally order by. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate how the WHERE clause works. In the training database, there is a small table called People, which has 3 columns: name, gender, and age. We will use this table to explore the WHERE clause. Select star from people. We see 3 columns and 5 rows. Note that you have to run this query while connected to the training database. Check the window title to ensure that this is indeed the case. Now, let's say that we wanted all the rows where the age is less than 23. Select star from people where age less than symbol 23. Here, we want to filter the rows and keep only those rows where the age is less than 23, and then we display all the columns. We get back a single result of Joe, whose age 15 is less than 23. Notice how we don't get rows where the age is exactly 23. By the way, I will show you the full table on the right hand side for reference. Now, let's say that we want all the rows where the ages are greater than 15 but not including 15 itself. Select star from people where age greater than 15. Here we want to filter the rows and keep only those rows where the age is greater than 15, and then we display all the columns. We get 4 rows, but we don't see Joe, whose age is exactly 15. Return all the rows where the ages are equal to 23. Select star from people where age equal to 23. Here we want to filter the rows and keep only those rows where the age is equal to 23, and then we display all the columns. We get 2 rows, Mark and Kate, whose age is 23. Return all the rows where the ages are not equal to 23. Essentially, we seek the inverse of the last condition. Select star from people where age not equal to 23. Here, we want to filter the rows and keep only those rows where the age is not equal to 23. We get back 3 results, that is, everyone except Mark and Kate. We can also use the exclamation mark equal to symbols to denote the not equal to operator. Return all the rows where are less than or equal to 23. Select star from people where age less than or equal to 23. Here we want to filter the rows and keep only those rows where the age is less or equal to 23. We get back 3 results: Joe, Kate, and Mark. This is an example of a compound condition where we are using an implicit or compound operator. Return all the rows where the age is greater than or equal to 20 and the gender is male. Select star from people where age greater than or equal to 20 and gender is equal to M. This is an explicit compound condition where we want the age to be greater than or equal to 20 and, at the same time, the gender is M. The two individual conditions have to be true in order for the entire expression to be true because of the AND logical operator. Notice I used a capital M as that is what is in the table. While SQL keywords are not case sensitive, strings inside the tables are. If I had used a small case m, I would get an empty result set. Return all the rows where the name is Mark, Marla or Pierre. Select star from people where name equal to Mark or name equal to Marla or name equal to Pierre. This is another compound condition where we want the name to be one of three choices: Mark, Marla or Pierre. Here we use the OR operator in between our choices. We can also write this another way using the IN operator. Select star from people where name in Mark, Marla, Pierre. Here we use the IN operator and provided SQL with a list of names inside parentheses, separated by commas. This is a bit easier than having multiple OR conditions. Return all the rows with the following two conditions: A, all males whose ages are less than 30, or B, all females whose ages are greater than 32. Select star from people where age less than 30 and gender equal to M, or age greater than 32 and gender equal to F. Here we have multiple compound conditions and I have placed parentheses around the conditions. The conditions inside the parentheses are evaluated first.